Okay, so there's only so much time in a day. That's why I like to put up preview videos like this, because this was a great project. So I'm going to switch over to a cab video of Phil using this 42-inch heavy-duty brush cutter for the first time. And then we're going to get to the full project next, finishing this pond dam part 3. But anyways, join Phil in the cab. And yes, I do have ulterior motives, because I want him to be trained up on this equipment, because we are about to start project 291, and the more help I can get, the better on that new investment property. So let's join Phil in the cab as he's learning this brush cutter for the first time, and enjoy the scenery. Hope to see you again. Thanks a lot.
Alright, Kapper's got me practicing for 291 with this thing. He told me to wait to turn the camera on when I got the hang of it. The controls just seem all backwards. So I don't know how soon I'm ever going to get the hang of it, so I thought I'd turn the camera on anyway. Everything seems backwards running this as opposed to when you got the bucket. I don't know why. I got in a pretty good swing yesterday with the bucket digging on the pond, but this is just definitely takes a different feel to get there. Knocking this back because the sickle mower, some of it's just gotten so big that the sickle mower can't keep up with it anymore, so we should be good for a couple of years. Now, sickle mower don't like anything over about an inch. I normally just drive it along and keep the edges cut, but they get thicker and thicker behind it. There's only so much you can do with it.
Nice to open a view up here. Getting down, getting closer to finishing. I got one more swipe over here as close as I can get in without obviously sinking in the pond. All right, so thanks for joining us today. This was kind of a bonus episode, like it's in the title, of Phil learning to use the 42-inch heavy-duty brush cutter on my Bobcat E42R series. So the last episode of this pond clearing is going to be me like finishing all the brush cutting work with the excavator and getting an after look of really cleaning this pond up. So I hope to see you on the next episode, the last one of this project and the next one of our future projects. So have a great weekend. Thanks a lot.